Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this door canopy. Look how nice it is, and some brackets to go with it. I've seen these sell for about £249. I made this with some wood underneath my shed and some old felt that I found, so money saving. First things first, let's make the bracket so this has something to sit on outside your door. So we've got a nice 90-degree angle there, and then the piece of timber just in the middle has got 45-degree angles cut into each end, and that just screws straight into that 90-degree bend. So what you see here are my two brackets. On top of that are two lengths of wood. Magic angle here is 45 degrees. I'm going to cut nearly everything to 45 degrees. Slots together like a jigsaw. So I've put these two lengths on top of the brackets so I can see how things measure up. Next I got some 2x3 timber, cut it at 45 degrees, put it together, and this will sit on top of the timber that then sits on top of my brackets. Screw this all together using standard wood screws, and then repeat the process again, and that will give you two apexes. In between these apexes we have one straight piece of wood and then two diagonals, all cut at 45 degrees. These are for aesthetics and strength. You're only going to need to do this once because it's just for the front. The back is just the apex. Then what you need to do is fasten the two structures together using the 3x2 timber. I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits. 2 screws through each holds the structure together. You then have your main frame of your door canopy. We're going to make this look amazing now. So we're going to clad it up. So we're going to get some 5" by 1/2 inch wood that we're going to cut at, yeah, you've guessed it, 45-degree angles. That is going to be cladded onto the front and sides. But before you do that, let's varnish it. That's right, cover the lot in varnish. All the edges, all the front, insides, everywhere. Protect it. You're going to drape your felt over the top, fold it over, and then you're going to tack the felt in before you put the front cladding on, okay? And there you have it, an absolute work of art. Look at the finish, look at the craftsmanship. You're going to be so proud of this every time you drive home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.